Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I want to share my January favorites with you guys. I don't know if there will be a favorites video every month. I'm not sure I have a whole wealth of things that are my favorite things every month, but this month I definitely had some things that I loved, so I wanted to share them with you guys. And let's just get started. So the first, I'm kind of going to try and do categories. The first one is like kitchen type stuff. So I love this Kate Spade tumbler that I got for my engagement party. My friend Vanessa and her boyfriend Dakota got me this. Well, I mean, let's be real, it was Vanessa. She got me this cute Kate Spade mug, and it says Miss. It's crossed through. It says Mrs. And then it's got the little engagement ring. It's so cute. I love this tumbler, and I have to say, every time I take this to work, I drink so much water. I'm peeing like every 10 seconds. But it's so good for you, because I'm always forgetting to drink water, especially when I'm really busy. I just like, goes right over my head. And then also from my engagement party, Austin's cousin Bridget got me and him matching wifey and hubby mugs. He doesn't use mugs very often. He'll have tea once in a while, maybe a hot chocolate on the odd occasion. He's not usually a coffee guy unless we're like out and about and he really needs to stay awake. But yeah, I love this mug. It's so cute, and it's like the perfect size. It holds a ton of drink. Like, it's pretty, it is pretty much that deep. It's not a lot of like thick ceramic, so it holds so much. It's just a great mug in general, and the fact that this is wifey is so cute. I love that. Then the other kitchen type thing, this might be silly, is my bagel cutter. I totally forgot to show this in my what I got for Christmas video, and it was like my favorite thing I got. It was like truly the one thing I wanted for Christmas. When my mom asked me what I wanted for Christmas, I'm like, just a bagel cutter. That's it. That's all I want. And I'd already used it, so I completely forgot to put it in that video, but yes, I love this so much. I hate having to use a knife to slice up a bagel. I love everything bagels, and I don't like getting all the seeds and shit on my hands, so yeah, love this. And then two other things that I just wasn't bringing upstairs. Kombucha. I'm on a major kombucha kick. Like, we just went out to dinner today, because while I'm filming this, it's my birthday, and me and my mom have the same birthday, so we switch off every year, and it was my year to choose the restaurant. So while we were out, I actually had kombucha at dinner because the restaurant we went to serves kombucha. I'm just on a kombucha kick. I am having a moment with it. I've always kind of liked it, but I'm really having a moment, so yes. And bananas. I'm going through some bananas. I love bananas with my granola. I love bananas in my smoothies. I'm just like, I'm going through like tons of bananas right now, and I've noticed that since I've been eating so much fruit, I don't know if it's specifically the bananas or just fruit in general, because I've been having smoothies a lot more often, my keratosis pilaris seems to have calmed down. I still have like redness from where like old bumps have been, and I've picked at them, so that hasn't necessarily gone away, but like the actual bumpiness, my arms feel to the touch so much smoother than they usually do. So I don't know if that has to do with the fruit, but it's really the biggest change I've had in my diet lately, because I've never been a huge fan of fruit. I'm not generally someone who loves sweets, like maybe the odd cookie or cupcake here and there, but I'm not someone who loves sweets, especially not fruit. So in smoothie form, I've been having a lot of fruits. I think that's what it is. I think that's what it is. Why don't we make smoothies a favorite too? Anyway, so that's all the kitchen type stuff. I have one beauty related thing, and it is a hair product. This is from My Moisture, which I talked about that company in my empties video, I believe. And this is their Nourish and Moisture Coconut Milk Weightless Oil Mist for dry hair. And once again, I'll read you all the things. It is no mineral oil, no silicones, no parabens, no gluten, no SLS, no sulfated surfactants, no synthetic dyes, no ALES, yes vegan, yes eco-friendly, yes pure coconut oil, and yes pure aloe juice. And you can get this brand at Target, which is so convenient. And I've used this a lot, and it's only that far. And I've been using this for probably over a month, and I use it literally every time I get out of the shower. I just spray a little bit in my hair before I start messing with it, and it just makes it's like Wonderful Nature's detangler or something. It makes it so easy to get a brush or a comb through my hair like nothing I've ever used before. It is wild, because for a long time I wouldn't even touch my hair after I got out of the shower. There was a period in time where like literally brushed through in the shower, wouldn't touch it. After that, there was no getting a brush or a comb through. And now I can actually get out of the shower, part it, go through it, brush through it, and then do something to style it, which today all I did was I didn't even put product in it besides this to brush through. I just twirled it around my fingers and it stayed like this because I just have that kind of hair. Sorry, hate on me. But yeah, this is amazing, especially if you have curly hair, tangle prone hair. This stuff is gold, liquid gold. And then I guess kind of fashion related, I haven't even had these most of the month and I've already worn them multiple times. They are my new avocado earrings. I love these things. And they're from J. Crew Factory. Last time I checked the website, they were on sale. So if you're interested in them, check that out. And then also, my purse. Now this is a faux leather purse. It's like a faux Saffiano, and I got it in the pink color. It's from Target, and it comes in several colors, like I think at least 5. So super cute. I love this, and it's got like a little chain, adjustable chain or strap with a gold chain detail. This is not the most realistic looking type thing. When you get it up in person, up in your face, it's kind of cheap, but like if you're not really staring at it this far away, it looks fine. So love this, and that was, I don't know, Austin bought me that, but I think it was fairly affordable. Kind of fashion related, but not really, because it's like homeware. But this robe that Austin got me, I believe this was from J. Crew Factory for Christmas. I just love this thing. I've been living in this robe. It's so comfortable. It's like the perfect thickness for walking around the house when you've already got pajamas or something on. It's perfect. And then last 2 things to share with you guys. I guess this would be more like lifestyle. So the first is I made a little book on Shutterfly with all of our engagement pictures. I gave one to my mom, one to his mom, but also his grandma because they live together, and then one to his dad and one to my grandma and grandpa. So cute. Just kind of show you some of it. This is our personal one, so I haven't really flipped through this because I've literally like looked at it 1,000 times every time I give someone else one, but I loved this little album. It's so nice. I've been keeping it on our coffee table, and it's just like a nice, simple little way to have those photos without having to print out all of them. So we can look at all of them, but we don't have to print out all of them. Although I did get a few prints to hang on our wall. I'm in the process of doing a photo wall. I realized I actually need to order photos. I've got a bunch of frames, no photos. I'm also in the process of doing up our stairwell. I saved all of my maps from when I traveled, and then I've saved maps from when me and Austin have traveled together too. So I have all of them. I'm in the process of framing them, and I'm going to put it up our stairwell. It's just going to be kind of like a little shrine to maps, which is really cool. I'm excited for that. So if you see like maps or picture frames or whatever on my Instagram stories, that's what that's for. But we have to actually paint that hallway before I could start hanging them. But I've got 4 actually framed so far. Just got the glass for one today, so it's kind of exciting. Nice little project I've been meaning to do and I've been pushing off, but no longer. It is a 2018 goal. I'm doing it. Anyway, last favorite for the month of January is this little happy planner. I love this thing. I swear I haven't even touched my ERIN CONDREN, and I feel so bad about it because they're like so expensive. and I bought one, and I've just been obsessed with this thing. I take it everywhere with me. It fits so conveniently in this purse. It's like the perfect size. And then on my laptop bag for work, it fits really nicely on the front pocket there. If I have to bring that with me, it's nice and easy to slide it in there. I love this. It's perfect for just, I guess it's bullet journaling, although it's more like me just having endless to-do lists. I love this, and it's been a lifesaver. Definitely enjoyed this, and I highly recommend if you are finding your ERIN CONDREN to be a little overwhelming and too much space, and like you're just a little burnt out on the sticker thing. I love the stickers. I think they're beautiful. I still watch planner videos, but just doing it every week was kind of like stressing me out. It started to stress me out because I felt like it had to be perfect or else. So anyway, this has just been a little savior for me. I'm loving this. So that is all my favorites for January. I'd love to know what you enjoyed this month. So if you have a few favorite things, let me know down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button, which should be right under the video. And right next to that is a bell button. If you want to be notified every time I post a video, you can go ahead and click that. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!